Hi, this is Watchaby, and today this is another unboxing. As you can see the logo here, it is an Omega watch. Huge big box if you compare with my hands, my two hands. As you can see, it's actually a large box. So let's do the unboxing. Of course, this is the receipt, and comes with a very nice booklet where they put in the receipt. It's nice. An operating manual, standard operating manual, as you can see here, rather thick, multiple languages. A nice wallet for the international warranty. And the pictogram, this particular pictogram would actually tells you what are the functionalities as well as uniqueness of that particular watch, as you can see here. So, yep, nice, very nice. And the watch box itself. Okay, let me get this out of the way so it becomes even better to see. So how do you open this? As you can see, you can learn because why? There is a small little button here, which when you press, it will disengage a latch. There you go. Very nice. Full of stuff. This is the Omega Speedmaster Mark II. And if I take this one out, I think you'll find something very interesting. I lift this one out. It comes with a special thing, graphite not pointer, but a picker. Because I think at the watch itself, you can see here, this is a small little button here. This is where you press to do the date. Interestingly, I resized it, so this is part of the link. You release this one out, and you put the watch back in here where it used to be just now. It becomes a nice watch box, traveling watch box. Cute, eh? Anyway, I'll do a full review on this watch. It will be in my blog. Do watch out for it. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Do follow the channel. More of this stuff, type of things coming up later. Anyway, let's put it back properly. Ta-da. Sorry, this. Okay, bye bye for now.